PTV, Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Manatili po nga nakaantabay sa inyong telebisyon ng bayan kung saan po ay ating matutunghayan ang naging pahayag kanina ni PCO Secretary Martin Andanar.
Good morning. I'd also like to recognize the presence of Carlos Munda, who will be one of the speakers for today. And my friends from the Kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas, Wang, where are you? There you go, and Francis. And our KBP chapter here in Davao, President Roy Johnson. Where's Roy? Si Roy kasi magkasalita para sa KBP. Fellow workers in government, public information officers, representatives from the Philippine National Police, media personnel, members of the academy. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Masaya akong maging bahagi ng aktibidad na ito. Tayong lahat ay natutuwa at nasasabik para sa ASEAN Chairmanship. The Philippines ASEAN Chairmanship coincides with the 50th founding anniversary of the ASEAN, making the year's occasion doubly special for the Duterte administration. Kaya naman, malaking karangalan po para sa akin ng aming tanggapan, ang Presidential Communications Operations Office, ay nabigyan ng mahalagang tungkulin para sa paghahanda at pagsasagawa ng ASEAN 2017. Administrative Order Number 48, signed last year, created the National Organizing Council, or the NOC, for the countries hosting of the ASEAN 2017, with the Secretary of the PCOO as council member. Likewise, AO 48 established the Committee on Media Affairs and Strategic Communications, which designated the PCOO as chair. Kami po sa Presidential Communications Operations Office bilang tagapangasiwa ng komunikasyon ng Malacanang ang mapalad na nabigyan ng pribilehiyo upang ipaabot sa ating mamamayan ang tampok na agenda at programa ng pamahalaang Duterte. Ang tema po ng ASEAN ngayon ay Partnering for Change, Engaging the World. Nagsimula ang pagbabago nang magpahayag ng paniniwala ang mga kababayan natin, lalo na ang mga Davaoenyo, na maaring maging halimbawa ang ginigiliw nilang liderato sa mas malawak na abot ng kapangyarihan. Ipinakilala ng syudad ng Davao ang kanilang anak sa mas malawak na pambansang halalan, si Mayor Digong, at ngayon ay Pangulo ng ating Republika. Ngayon at dito sa makabuluhang lungsod ng Davao ay pinasinayaan namin ngayon ang Roadshow 2017 na nagtatampok sa 4 na programang mahalaga para sa administrasyon. Ang una, ang ASEAN Summit 2017. Ang pangalawa, Task Force on Media Security. Pangatlo, ang Freedom of Information. At ang pang-apat, ang paggamit po ng social media pagdating sa mga natural disasters or man-made disasters. The first, as I mentioned earlier, is the Summit 2017 that will gather leaders from the Southeast Asian nations. The second milestone is the Task Force on Media Security to ensure the protection of media against threats harassment, and violence in the performance of their duties. The government respects the freedom of expression, the right to information of the public, and regard the media people as partners in the pursuit of truth, responsible and accurate information, accountability, and transparency. The third milestone is the Freedom of Information signed into an executive order last year. To date, 131 agencies of government have complied with FOI manuals, and 15 agencies have put up a mechanism for the online access of information required or requested by the public. And the fourth milestone, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte won landslide in 2016 through the big help, not of mainstream media, but the help of social media. So that is why we acknowledge that fact. Kaya naman ay ini-extend po natin ang case study ng matagumpay na paggamit ng social media sa kampanyahan, sa paggamit po nito pagdating sa mga disaster preparedness. Malugod po namin kayong inaanyayahan makiisa sa Roadshow 2017. Maraming daan at paraan ng paglilingkod sa bayan. At hindi tayo kailangan hatiin ng mga paninindigan at katotohanan, paano man ito ibinabalita o binibigyang mukha ng mga may interes, kasangga man o katunggali ng pamahalaan. Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. Enjoy your day, and may we end it later at 4 p.m. in a very fruitful manner. And of course, after we end it with a fruitful manner, we will have fun by enjoying the cocktails at 5 p.m. I can't wait for the cocktails.